Alright, so this thing here goes on here next.
Yeah.
It's a good thing that fits.
I did not bring the bolts.
Looks like it might fit. So what you're saying is you can't put the bearing on because you don't have the rest of the parts?
Correct.
Oh, okay. Good thing you brought all the stuff over.
I was going to, and then I didn't.
Yeah. You know what the good part is?
What's that?
You got a layer powder coat.
Mm-hmm.
You got a layer of
powder coat on there too. Yeah,
coat.
That's good.
And then you have a layer of powder coat on the screws.
Yeah, yeah.
And then the threads have powder coat in there too, probably.
The proper amount.
So after you put that all in there, how many times you go boom, boom, boom before it's loose again?
Oh, that's gonna be good.
And you can't tighten the screws up because they're underneath the bearing.
Oh, good, good.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Good designing.
I'll just weld it.
Yeah, it's aluminum.
It was all powder coated too when I disassembled it from Kraus. Everything was powder coated just like that.
See how they made that out of a piece of billet material? How much effort would have been to just maybe cut that?
Too much. Too much effort.
They're using their stuff. Why would you just cut it, the tree to fit? It could easily put that in the program. See what they had to do? Instead of using a cheap piece of plate that thick, they would have to buy one that was that thick. So it cost them more material.
Too much money.
Instead they make this piece of crap that's going to come loose. Guaranteed. Good job.
Damn, look at that though.
Is that fit on there too?
Oh, that's good.
So how precision of a hole did they make on this one?
Very.
What about this one?
Where are you?
So it's 97.5 on the powder coat. Off the powder coat, it's 97 also, which is the same size I had, but we already know 97 is press fit, so.
Good enough.
So this is measuring high spots. Calipers are not the most accurate thing in the world. Let's see how it feels right here on this. Yeah, it's going to cut it. So go grab me your plate over there. That's the way already.
What plate?
The spacer, or the pressing block.
It's not there.
And I probably already used it.
I don't think we need to cut that. It goes over the threads.
Yeah, well, it doesn't go over the underneath.
Yeah, I don't think it has to, does it?
I don't know where the bearing's going to sit.
I don't know either.
Here's the part I'm looking for.
I'll just fucking hammer it. You know?
Hammer it together?
Yeah.
All done?
Yeah. After I put the bearings on, just hammer it down.
This one doesn't fit on that side, and this side's not very flat.
Yeah, don't scratch that side.
Don't scratch that side?
No, don't scratch that side.
What, can you see it?
Well, yeah, you're gonna be able to see that.
You would see? I already told you I didn't care.
Well, I know you don't care. I care.
What'd you make such a big one for then? Use a smaller one. Could have brought that one.
That's good.
That one instead.
I should have. I wasn't thinking.
Yeah, I don't know why you weren't thinking.
Right through.
That goes through. That's hot right at the top. Okay, so now it's a press fit a little bit. About half a turn you want to remember.
Half a turn.
Turn worked. Over a third of a turn.
Man, a die grinder would have made light work of this.
Stick the lip on that. Light work.
Light work.
Light work. Where's that thing at? There's a screw in there somewhere. Think that went and fell right back out?
That was like a little more than a quarter turn.
Just under half. Oh, that's tight.
That's a little tight.
That's tight.
Spin it, come on.
Pick that up.
Look what he did. He's stealing my parts now.
Somebody ran it all the way through.
Oh, who did that?
It's hard to get good help.
Oh, true.
It's a good thing I got access to this. I can see in there too. See, eventually those turns start meaning something. I think we got to the point where it
started to mean something?
Yes, we finally got all the free play out of the system. Come on. Somewhere in there is an M.
Just drop my part, that'd be cool.
Hit over here is where it's going to hit.
Oh, good. Right on the powder coat.
Well, yeah. There it is.
Spin. Your spacer on the bottom's not lined up.
Yeah, it's not doing something in there correctly.
What a guy.
See, got a little one here and there.
Yeah.
A little powder over there, come through there. Now we should be at the right size now. Now it's back to standard size. Doesn't quite go down there.
I think it's the lip that's...
It's sitting on the bearing surface.
Yeah.
So they obviously made it so it doesn't go all the way through. It looks like.
Obviously.
At least now it'll go on the fork without binding. When you put the fork tubes on here, it might be a little like this.
Oh, good.
We have a little clearance in there, so it goes in.
Little clearance?
Clearance. Yeah, we're just starting to cut the aluminum. We're just rubbing against it, so we were at 0, what they had it set at originally. All right, so this is going to be a problem under here.
So I'll hit that with something and try to get as much off as I can, but I feel like it might be uneven if I do that.
It's going to be very uneven, so there's not much you can do about it.
Alright. So just get rid of the high spots and put it together?
You mean that?
A little bit of... Oh, nice.
You mean that high spot?
That little high spot.
That little high spot right there you're talking about? Is that the one you're talking about there?
Maybe.
That might be the one.
Fucking throw it in that lathe. Let's hit it with something.
Yeah, this is a little...
Oh, that's good enough.
Got a big lip right there.
That's fine. That's factory.
Yeah, that build-up powder coat right there? Yeah, it's factory.
Yeah, that's nice.
It's pretty good. The thing is, whatever you do on here, you're going to see it, so...
No, that's the bottom.
You still can see it a little bit.
What do you mean? It's going to be in the trees. Oh my god.
Am I popular today?
You're popular. Don't they know it's your day off?
Am I here?
I don't think so.
I'm not here today?
No.
That one?
That's how you scratch some powder right there.
Oh, he's calling me. I'm trying to stay off of this.
No, yeah, it was on. It was on.
We would be nice if we shut the phone number off so you would hear it. Okay, it's not very flat. It's semi-flatter than it was. Is that going to sit on the flat there or not?
I think it's just the triple tree that's fucked now.
Okay, that is going to be a problem out here too.
Yeah, I saw that.
See, it's on the edge. It's hidden in there, so that should be flat all the way across. So this thing should be made flat. So we can do that with a paper. Don't leave that out of her charge.
Well, I'd be dead.
Put that back away. I don't need it.
I got it hit in your arm. You jinxed it.
That hurt. I'll only hit on the tip, though.
Just the tip?
Just the tip.
That's good.
When I do that sandpaper, I usually do the day. Okay, we got a problem right now. Okay, first thing I do is get rid of this. Yeah, you pull that out first. There's the adjustable parts in. now I can get this out of my way.
They didn't even see that. Custom.
Somebody cut that down right there. Get this out of my way so I open it. There, look good. Limited space around here. I need some paper. I'm thinking one of these right here might be the one.
Perfect.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, that one's brand new.
The oil pump one. You know, use this one. That's the finer. Where's the coarse stuff at? Ooh, I found the coarse stuff. Ooh, there's some good stuff. What grit is that?
Where are we going?
It's 336 grit.
That's too fine.
It says 60 on it.
Oh.
I think that's the perfect grit for powder coat. Look how flat that is.
Looks like it's all built up at the top.
Yeah. It's got a big bead right there.
Yeah.
It's starting to get where we can sand it. Not that much though.
Oh, that looks nice.
It's looking a little flatter now than it was. I think I can live with that. That's a lot flatter than it was. You know this is going to be just as bad.
No, I'm positive.
Oh,
Look at that. No wobble.
That's way better than it was.
What if I wanted that wobble?
I'm sorry it's gone.
Easy on that. Oh my god. Alright. This is your bike, don't look.
Turn the camera off.
Yeah.
Close, turn your head the other way quickly.
Look away.
Look away, look away. I nicked it right there.
Yeah, I know, I see that. I mean, no, that looks good. You didn't nick it anywhere. Stop pointing at it.
There. Now it's still a lot flatter.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Okay, at least now we have half a chance that might stay tight for about a week. How'd that happen?
Right there. How did that happen right there?
I didn't see that.
No.
That was already there.
Better hit up those powder coaters. They nicked it.
Yeah, they nicked it. All right. So, it's going to move on you.
Good.
At least it's better than what it was.
Loctite.
Loctite just keeps the screw from moving.
Torque spec times 2.
Doesn't keep it tight. Now I'm assuming that the bolts fit in here. We haven't tried that yet. Did you see if this actually fit on the tubes?
No.
Okay, good.
I could do that myself.
I would take the tape off though.
No, that's good. That's good.
Slot.
Yeah.
They did a pretty good job of doing it there. It looks like there's some little nicks there, but those I would
yeah, I'm gonna beat those down.
feel that lip right there.
Oh yeah.
Use a small half moon file.
I could deal with those.
Where's that smooth one I had? Oh, right here. Yeah, that's it. That's not quite that grit. Okay.
It's a little sturdy.
Maybe something more like this grit.
Oh, just smack it. Go ahead.
I didn't do that.
No, you didn't.
So just get about a 10 or 15 degree angle offset. I'm just trying to knock off a burr. Because you want you have to make a scratch on your tube. You probably got some fancy gold-plated piece of crap.
They are gold. They're Olin's.
Yeah, I told you. How'd I know you had some ugly piece of shit gold fork tube on a dyna turd? Yeah, I would have never known that, right?
Go fast.
Put that on the dyna turd fork tube. So makes me feel better. Chunk of crap came off there. So now I go like that, I don't feel any burrs getting on me. Minor detail work that makes a difference.
What about in here? Is there anything on the pinch?
I'm working on it over here.
Oh, okay.
I don't care about the pinch, I care about the tube.
I know where it pinches are here.
They taped it over.
Did they? Okay.
I don't care about that. That's your problem. Yeah, there's a It catches on it pretty heavy, but
That's what I'm saying.
Is this the right radius here? You want me to go like this?
No, easy, easy.
You want me to deburr their machining job? Is that what you want me to do? That was their job to do, not mine. I don't feel anything.
Good.
Alright. You gotta clean the sand out of it like the motor.
You should have fucking... We should have recorded the transmission.
When I blew all the sand out of the hole that you already cleaned the tranny out with.
Oh, yeah.
You said it was perfectly clean. And
That was good enough.
you left a pile of sand on top of my workbench when you put it down.
I don't remember that.
You don't remember that part?
No, I don't.
Did you bring your nut?
I did not.
Is it not going to clear whatever this is in here?
Yeah, probably clear.
Okay. I'm sure that won't deteriorate either time.
No, not at all.
Okay, we're done with that part. Next. Close the lid.
Goes in the pocket.
Yeah. Close the lid.